So after you already have installed the WordPress and you have downloaded your education WordPress theme from Theme Forest, you just have to unzip the package which you have downloaded from Theme Forest. Once you unzip the package of education WordPress theme, you find different folders from which theme files is the folder where your theme files can be found. This education.zip is your themes file which you have to install. Remember, this is the whole package which includes everything like license, assets, demo, document, plugins and theme files. And in theme files you can find education.zip. Let's upload it and activate our theme. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then themes and click add new and upload theme. Click choose file and select that theme, education.zip. Click install now. Once installed, click activate now. After activating the theme, you will see this notification bar. It's telling you to install different plugins which theme requires. Just click begin installing plugins and click all. If you don't need any feature, like if you don't want to use WooCommerce, just uncheck it. But if you want to keep it, use it, just keep it. So let it install the plugins. So you have to complete installing the plugins. Theme have recommended you every plugin like one-click demo import, option tree, WooCommerce. If bulk installation does not work, you can install one by one, just like I am doing. After all plugins have been installed, now you have to activate them. After activating theme, your site looks like this. So that means there is no data in your site here right now. That's why we are going to import demo content. Alright, all plugins have been installed. Let's activate them one by one. Just don't go to setup of any plugin if it says. Alright, all plugins have been installed. You can see the message. Only one plugin is left, WooCommerce. Let's activate it as well. Now all plugins are active and installed. After that, you will see there is the option import demo data. Okay, if just leave this WooCommerce page, skip setup for now. Now you can see here under appearance, where are they? Continue import. Alright, demo data have been imported, and let's view the site. I hope it's good now. Now what you can do, quick advice, just go to courses, edit them, and to edit a page, just click here, edit with Elementor, and you can edit any page you want and anything on that page. Like this, or this. Alright,